お呼び出しします。
This is an onigiri. A what? An onigiri. 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 Wow, it's hard to say. What is it though? Well, it's a really popular snack or lunch item that people in Japan love. They love them so much. Yeah, you can buy these everywhere in Japan. You can get them at the supermarket, the convenience store. You can get them at the onigiri shop. Or, I mean, you can even make them at home. Because really all they are rice, some sort of filling or toppings, and nori or dried seaweed on the outside. There's so many flavors of onigiri. There's tuna mayo, there's salmon, spicy cod roe, there's pickled plum, kombu, yakiniku, beef flavored, spam, musubi. There's even drinkable onigiri. Probably my favorite flavor that you can buy is this one, which is Ikura, or salmon roe. And I love salmon roe because they're like little mini balloons that just pop in your mouth when you bite them. So yummy. Okay, this is how you make onigiri. So the first step is to cook some rice and make sure that it is Japanese rice because other kinds will not stick together properly. Next, you're going to want to take a piece of plastic wrap and scoop the rice onto there with a little bit of salt. Traditionally, onigiri was made just by putting salt on your hands, and some people make it that way still, but this is easier. The next step will be to add your fillings or toppings to the rice, and then you're going to want to take everything and form it into whichever shape you like. But the traditional onigiri shape is a triangle shape. So make sure to form it gently so that you don't smush any of the rice. Just a couple turns is the correct way. And finally, this step is optional, but taking a piece of nori and wrapping it up right before you eat it so that the nori stays crispy is the way to go. That's it, you're finished. Enjoy. Alright, so the first recipe is very easy. It can be made with canned tuna or canned salmon in this case, or any kind of fish really, and some mayonnaise. It's kind of like you're making a tuna salad sandwich, something like that. So just mix it all up, and that's it. Put it in the rice, make an onigiri, and you're done. Delicious. The second recipe, this is kind of a fusion recipe. So the first step is to brown some ground meat of your choice. Then you're going to add some pepper, some salt, and a little bit of chili powder, and mix it all up. You're kind of making a nice seasoned meat. And then you're going to add that to the rice, and add as much as you like of some shredded cheese. And that's it. It's delicious taco-style onigiri. Alright, the third recipe is probably the easiest one for sure. And all you need is some furikake, which is kind of Japanese flavor sprinkles, I call them. They can be eaten just on top of rice or whatever. So mix those in with the rice and then form it into a ball or a triangle or whatever shape you like. And that's it. You're done. Enjoy. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching and have a good time making some onigiri and eating it. See you later.